Hidden in there is the tiniest of tiniest little elephant calves. She's only days old, but fully into this wallowing, as temperatures rocket well over 100 degrees in the shade. Most of her life so far has been spent looking at the bellies of everybody surrounding her and taking care of her. She doesn't get much time alone to see past all of those legs and tummies. Another cow shows interest in the little one. They all just want to get to know her. That protective barrage of legs surrounding her do get in the way at times. The herd has just walked at great pace and in great haste for the last 2 kilometers to get to these pans, and now this little girl is seriously thirsty. Mom decides it's time to get her little one out of there.